So in the time of delta t, the particle move a distance of delta u, and the stress wave move a distance of delta L. So we can define the strain. Strain equals to delta U divided by delta L. This is the definition of strain. So this is formula 1. And then we take a look at the particle. Particle movement velocity V. We can calculate the V using delta U divided by delta T, right? This is the particle movement velocity. Then we can change it to delta U equals to V times delta T. This is formula 2. And then let's take a look at the wave. The wave speed is c. C could be calculated using delta L to divided by delta T. It's similar to the velocity of the particle. And also we can change it to delta L equals c times delta T. This is formula 3. So we combine these three formulas. We replace delta U with V times delta T and replace delta L with C delta T. Then we can get this relationship. Strain equals to V divided by C. As actually, strain is the parameter that measured by our strain sensor. And the velocity is the parameter that's measured by our accelerometer. The acceleration, and we can accumulate it to V, velocity. With this formula, we times elastic module on both sides. We know that strain times elastic module E, we can get stress. And on the right side, we get this formula. And again, we times section area A on both sides. On the left side, stress times area A, we got the force F. And on the right side, we get this EA divided by C and times V. Now we define Z equals to EA divided by C. That is impedance. And the unit for impedance is kilonewtons second per meter. Then we can get the relationship F equals to ZV. So this is so-called proportionality of F and V. So if we get data from a high-strength dynamic test, usually we will see before the first peak, F and V, they meet each other, they are together. That is because of the proportionality relationship. And after the first peak, they separate gradually. This is because of the function of the soil resistance, which we will discuss later. So if you find the F and V, they do not meet each other before the first peak, maybe there's something wrong with the proportionality. So this is the concept of proportionality.